Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing Google Vault. World's first all-in-one Google AI suite. Access Gemini, Imagen, Bard, Codey, MusicLM, VO3 and future models, all in one dashboard, no coding or setup needed. In this video, I'll guide you with a full walkthrough demo of the Google Vault software. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel you'll be able to see the options like Gemini 2.5 Flash, Imagen, VO 3.1, Codey, Google TT My Vault. And in the middle of the page you'll see the options to access it, and you'll have some of the predefined templates for your generations like blog post template, social media ads, etc. On the right hand side, you'll have access to view your latest creations in it with quick stats below. By clicking on the View All in Vault button will give you the statics of the creations you made in this software. Let's jump into the Gemini 2.5 Flash. It is equipped with the latest chat models in it. Just type the query to get the solution. Next we'll look into the Imagen tool. Just get your image prompt from the chatbot, or you can enter your own idea in the prompt box, and then choose the style you need and adjust the quality of the image you need. Then click the Generate button below to start the generation. Within a few seconds, it will give you the image based on the prompt. You can simply click the Download button to save it to your device. Then the AI Video Generator tool called VO 3.1. Give the exact prompt you need and hit the Generate button below. Then it will show many videos from the AI generations. You can simply click the video and view it. If you like it, simply download it by clicking the three dots in the video's right bottom. Next, the coding tool called Codey. With this tool you can build apps and make the codes for it, and many more coding help from it. You just need to type the idea and then hit enter to get your code ready to deploy. And finally, the Google TTS tool. It is the tool to convert your text into speech, also called as text-to-speech tool. And this is an important step to watch it. To use this Google TTS feature you need to create a free account in Pewter website to use it as unlimited. To register it, click the Sign in with Pewter button given in the top action bar to open the pop-up window for sign up for Pewter. It's just one-time registration only. Enter all your valid details and then sign up. After the successful sign-up in Pewter, it will automatically closes the pop-up window, and then the action bar inside the Google TTS will say like ready to generate speech. Then all good to go. Now just enter the text or voice over script, and then select the voice language, gender of the voice and quality. Then hit the Generate Speech button to generate the voice.
Hello, welcome to Google Text-to-Speech powered by advanced AI technology.
You can simply download it by clicking the Download button. The settings option will give you access to check your account details and to change it. For dark and light mode, there's an icon on the top to do that. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.